Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Mr. Chair, our committee members. On behalf of the DepDev Mimaropa Regional Director Agustin C. Mendoza, please allow me to present the calendar year 2025 fourth quarter Regional Project Monitoring and Evaluation System or RPMES report. So this would be our last RPMES report for the year 2025. So you may refer po to your reference folder for the SEC brief of this report. So just as a backgrounder, the Regional Project Monitoring Committee or RPMC, as we all know, monitors, evaluates, and formulates recommendations on the implementation of development plans and programs in the region. So project monitoring is conducted in support of good governance, transparency, accountability, and evidence-based decision-making throughout a program or project's life cycle. So its goal po is to keep track of the critical variables that could influence how successfully a project or a program is implemented and to provide reporting systems that enable timely correction or avoidance of implementation bottlenecks. So for the fourth quarter of the previous year, 2025, I am pleased to report that we again got one of our highest participation engagement rate when it comes to reporting compliance of our implementing agencies because 31 government agencies submitted data in the system and reported the status of 652 projects amounting to 75.17 billion pesos implemented in the Mimaropa region. So these agencies were as follows. Under the Development Administration sector, we have 7. The city governments of Calapan and Puerto Princesa, NHA Region 4, provincial governments of Occidental Mindoro, Oriental Mindoro, Palawan, and Romblon. For economic sector, we have 4, the DA Mimaropa, DENR, NIA, and PCSD. Under the infrastructure sector, we have 13, DICT Mimaropa, DOE, DOTR, DPWH Mimaropa, DPWH District Engineering Offices of Marinduque, Mindoro Oriental, Palawan 2nd, Palawan 3rd, Romblon, and Southern Mindoro. We also have LUWA, NPC or Napocor, PPA PMO Mindoro. And lastly, for the social sector, we have 7. We have the DOH, DOLE, DSWD. Also, we have 4 universities, MINSU, PSU, RSU, and WPU. Okay? So for the number of projects by threshold costs, out of the total 652 projects in the fourth quarter of 2025, 159 projects or 24.39% were major capital projects amounting to 47.52 billion pesos and 493 projects, that's 75.61%, were non-major capital projects amounting to 27.64 billion pesos. So the major capital projects po or those with project cost allotment of 200 million pesos and above include the following 9 implementing agencies, no? So their projects po. We have the city government of Puerto Princesa. So this is the completion of new city health complex. I believe this is along the Raffles Road in Barangay Santa Monica. For NHA, we have the permanent housing program in relation to the Yolanda. Next is we have DA Mimaropa, the supply and delivery of NSIC and hybrid rice seeds in Mindoro and Palawan, as well as the bags of complete fertilizer in the same 2 provinces, Mindoro and Palawan, both covering year 2025. Next is DOTR. We have the airport development expansion of Pag-asa Island Airport, specifically the extension of runway strip. Second is the Puerto Princesa International Airport Development Project, particularly the asphalt overlay of runway. Now, for the DPWH Mimaropa, our usual infrastructure projects, we have the flood control, mitigation structures, drainage systems, sustainable infrastructure projects, alleviating gaps or CPAG projects, shore protection, coastal road, boulevard, and causeway, seawalls, riverbank protections, road dikes, esplanade, circumferential access tourism roads, roads and or bridges, airport multipurpose building facilities, slow protections, rehabilitations of roads with sleeps, roadway lighting structures, and road widening projects. For NPC or Napocor, we have the supplies erection installation of electrical voltage projects. So this is along the Mogpog to Buena Vista segment. And for PPA PMO Mindoro, we have the Seaport Expansion Project in two municipalities. That's in Bulalakaw and Rojas in the province of Oriental Mindoro. And for DOLE, we have the TUPAD or the Tulong Panghanap Buhay sa Ating Disadvantaged Workers for year 2025. And lastly, DSWD, we have 4Ps o Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino Program, Sustainable Livelihood Program, Supplementary Feeding Program, Social Pension Program for Indigent Senior Citizens, and assistance to individuals in crisis situation. So that's it po for the major and non-major capital projects. And moving on to the implementation status by quantity, of the reported 652 total projects, we have 348 projects or 53.37% completed. 27 projects or 4.14% were on schedule. 143 projects or 21.93% were ahead of schedule. And 134 projects or 20.55% encountered problems in the implementation or uh, basically those projects with delayed projects in the implementation. And speaking of implementation, on behalf of on the implementation status by cost of the reported total amount of 75.17 billion pesos, 35.13% were completed amounting to 26.41 billion pesos. 1.48% were on schedule amounting to 1.11 billion pesos. 36.73% were ahead of schedule amounting to 27.61 billion pesos. And 26.66% or projects amounting to 20.04 billion pesos encountered problems in the implementation, or again, those projects that are delayed. And just to summarize the previous slides, of the reported 652 total projects, 348 projects or 53.37% were completed amounting to 26.41 billion pesos. 27 projects or 4.14% were on schedule amounting to 1.11 billion pesos, while 143 projects or 21.93% were ahead of schedule amounting to 27.61 billion pesos. And lastly, a total of 134 projects, so that's 20.55% amounting to 20.04 billion pesos encountered problems in the implementation with the following breakdown. So we have total of 25 implementing agencies. The City Government of Puerto Princesa, we have 5 projects, NHA 3, Provincial Government of Occidental Mindoro 2, Provincial Government of Palawan 2, DA Mimaropa 4, DENR 1, NIA 1, DOE 1, DOTR 2, DPWH Mimaropa 37, DPWH Marinduque DEO 7, DPWH Mindoro Oriental DEO 10, Palawan 2nd DEO 19, Palawan 3rd DEO 3, Romblon DEO 7, Southern Mindoro DEO 8 projects, LUA 1, NPC 6, PPAPMO Mindoro 2. And for the social projects, DOH 1, DSWD 1, MINSU 1, PSU 6, RSU 2, and WPU 2 projects. All right. Mr. Chair, the action requested for the CY 2025 fourth quarter Regional Project Monitoring and Evaluation System or RPMES report is for approval. This already wraps our presentation. Thank you very much.